action. Hold on, forgot.
Hurricane emergency for Miami. The National Weather Service in Tampa has issued a hurricane warning for eastern Miami-Dade County and southeastern Florida until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a rotating severe thunderstorm 21 miles near Miami, moving east-northeast at 65 miles an hour. In addition to this hurricane, damaging hail up to grapefruit size is expected with this storm. Hazard: destructive hurricane with 112-mile-an-hour sustained winds. Source: radar confirmed hurricane. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is expected, and complete destruction is possible. Precautionary/preparedness: take cover now. Move to a basement, or at the lowest interior room at a sturdy building. If you are in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, get to the closest shelter.
Ding 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 ding.